Save the glass if we can.
Match the old line, not the new stone. Drainage before lights.
Watch yourself, coming down. Clear below. Looks good, lights are set.
Starts below.
Move the debris to the staging area now. We need those braces installed by the afternoon.
If this drain backs up, the new courtyard dies.
Historic rim stays. The new water floats around it. Everything must disappear under the paving.
Radial lines to the, well, this is the centerpiece.
Rip 3 locks before glass arrives.
The commissioning is complete. It flows perfectly. Ready for the opening tonight. Courtyard is sealed. Roof load survey next.
Nothing over the courtyard glass.
Pool edge here, plant access there, reinforced before waterproofing.
No finish until the basin holds overnight. Black edge, blue basin, limestone deck. Keep the view clean. Save sunset mode after water fill.
Overflow balanced. Everything comes out, but keep the vault line.
Dirty route only. Nothing through the courtyard dining floor. Appliances come after air balance. Keep the vault old, make the surfaces sharp. Island line must hit the ceiling axis.
Clear the counters, let the marble breathe.
Kitchen sealed. Basement humidity control starts now.
Every fitting needs access after stone goes in. Leave the old stone breathing between the black marble. No reveal until humidity stabilizes.
No clutter. Let the vault and chrome carry it.
Spa sealed, gallery ceilings first. Nothing moves until the ceiling is secured. Catalog everything with gold on it. Stabilize first, beauty later.
Stop before it looks new.
Walls quiet, floor sharp, ceiling historic.
2 degrees left. Do not touch the canvas face.
Keep the iron rings. They become the lobby memory. Stable bones outside, black jewel box inside. Pink noise first, movie later.
Save reference mode.
Is the next course ready for service?
Plating now, chef. Should be 2 minutes.